When dealing with funeral homes, most people find it too expensive. Considerate cremation and burial services has made the entire process straightforward, transparent, and cost-effective, saving families 30 to 50% on funeral costs, while offering all service options. How can we do this is the biggest question we are asked. The answer is simple: overhead. Traditional funeral homes have large buildings, multiple vehicles, and large staff, all of which cost money to maintain. We have a modest facility, a dedicated team of licensed professionals available 24/7 to serve you. Having a streamlined operation allows us to pass along the savings to you and your family. We can arrange for services at existing venues that help support the community, whether it be at a church, community center, park, winery, or other setting. We will present you with all the options with no pressure. We add value to all service options by assisting with all of the required paperwork and forms: unlimited funeral director's proof of death certificates, estate fraud protection, identity theft protection, aftercare package with a list of tasks that need to be addressed, including Canada Pension Plan and old age security forms, online memorial tribute page, and much more. With many decades of combined experience, we are reliable, affordable, and can help you make a difficult time more manageable. Contact the owners, Holly Prince Jensen and Bruce Keating McClelland, directly by calling 289-362-1144 or visit us at ccbscares.ca. Compassionate service for considerably less.